म्हाका खोशी भोगली हो टुर्नामेंट ऑर्गनायज तुम्ही केलो म्हणून आनी अशेंच टुर्नामेंट जावचे आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांक तुम्ही सपोर्ट करचे आनी ह्या फुडें आमचोय कसलोय आदार आहा जाल्यार आमी तुमकां फुडें सरतले कसलोय कितेंय आसा जाल्यार आमी सपोर्ट करतले.
घडोवपी हे सगळे शिवराम पार्सेकर ताणी खूब एफर्ट घेतले आनी लास्ट एक म्हयन्याक ताणी इतले एफर्ट घेवन हे सगळ्यांक भुरग्यांक तयार केल्यात आनी हे डिसिप्लीन टुर्नामेंट जाला ते हिसपान शिवरामांक चड देव बरें करूं आनी तशें सगळे जमलेल्या लोकांक देव बरें करूं.
Happy Republic Day. Present on the days, Minister for Ports, Sri Michael Lobo, the Kalangut Sarpanch, Sri Francis, Pradeep Harmankar, Deputy Sarpanch of Parra, Srimati Sanjana Kurgaonkar, all our Panch members, and to be Sogle Burge, and all gathered here. Today is the 20th death anniversary of my father-in-law, late Vincent Lobo, and in his remembrance, we are having this tournament, the finals of this badminton, all Goa badminton tournament today. चोडांचो देव बरें करूं म्हणटा शिवराम रायकर, Shivaram Parsekar, Mahesh Parsekar and his family and all the organizers who are helping him to take this event forward. May God bless you all. And आमचो पूरा football ground, for your information, almost ready. तेका आमी fencing घालतले very soon. And there football for all the football lovers. The football ground should be ready in another 3-4 months. Sir? 2 months, yeah. As soon as the fencing is ready. So that is another feather in our cap. Amche Panchayat Ghar almost in finishing stages. And 2 mahinani तेही ready जावपाचे हा. So I acknowledge आमचो Nandesh Raikar. This is all a result of hard work, dedication and discipline. Muchas career and तुम्ही पुढे सरोक सोदतात 3 important things: discipline, hard work and total dedication. The result is here, Nandesh Raikar. And you young boys and girls who are taking part, मुझे तुमचो profession जाओ, कितें तुमचे dream जाओ. When you all put 100%, you all will get the result. You cannot be somewhere on the ledge. You have to reach that finishing mark. So I wish all the participants all the very best. आणि एक फावटी शिवराम पार्सेकर आणि ताचे फॅमिलीक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
बॅडमिंटन म्हाका दिसता गेमी आख्खे गोंयान जबरश्यो जायना. Though it is a very simple game, it requires very small space. कोणाचे गार्डनान कोर्ट करूंक जाता. But it requires a lot of hard work, dedication. And we have Shivaram Parsekar over here and his brother and his entire family supporting for this cause. He has made so many small players over here. Right from the age of 4 to 15 to 18 to 21, even veterans from Parra who used to play started playing back again. And this tournament, when he organizes, it is for all Goa, it's open for all Goa in different categories including veterans, and a platform is given for the youth, for the very very youngsters, for the youth as well as veterans to come and play over here. And then finally whoever wins is their luck and hard work. I feel that this type of badminton courts should come up at least in Parra village. We should have at least 2 of this, and in other villages they should have at least 2 or 3, whichever are big villages. Like Kalangut should have at least 4, and youth should be brought over there. And for that we require dedicated people dedicated sport lovers like Shivram and other boys who are involved in badminton, cricket, football. We have football in a very big way in Kandolim. We have football in a very big way in Kalangut also. We have in Nagwa Arpora also. But badminton, volleyball and all the other games are lacking. And I think we require young leaders who are dedicated for sports. And if you want to see that our Goan sportsmen participate in nationals and internationally, we have to catch them young. And that's the age where these boys and girls are studying over here, and some of them who are going to be coming here to play. That's the age which we have to catch them young. Right at the age of 4, 5, for badminton, for football, even for other games like volleyball, chess, including chess. We need to have all these facilities. And for that, whatever needs to be done, whether it is a clubhouse, a Parra clubhouse, Arpora Nagwa clubhouse, Kalangut clubhouse, ये म्हाका दिसता गरजेची एकदम गरजेची गजाली. Means we have to give these facilities to our youth, the generation next. इतली वर्सां जावंक ना, पूण ह्या फुडें तरी म्हाका दिसता ही क्लब हाऊसां जावपाची गरज आहा. भितर सगळे इंडोर गेम्स including swimming, diving and long distance means व्हडल्या पुलान डायव करप आनी स्विमिंगाचे पासून हे सगळे वस्तू आमी विलेज लेवलाचेर दिवपाची गरज आहे. म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंटान जे फॅसिलिटी केल्या ते तालुका लेवलाचेर केल्या, ह्यो विलेज लेवलाचेर हाडीत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता खुबशे भुरगे boys and girls will go on daily basis to practice and they will become sportsmen, sports girls at a very, very young age. Means they will start right from 4 to 5 years old. And so your facility today Kurpak, we have to start planning it today. And I have very dedicated team with us, team of Kandolim, the Panchayat members, team of Kalangut, Arpora Nagwa and Parra, who will support me to identify lands, to identify parcels of properties where we can set up these sports facilities for our generation next.
सगळ्यांक देव बरें करून की म्हाका तुमी इतलो हे दिलो म्हणून हांगा आपोवन तशें आमचे बेस्ट फ्रेंड मायकेल बाबू हो सदांच म्हाज्या फाटल्यान सदांच उबो आसता केन्नाय कितेंय राजकारण जावं. सो देव एका चडान चड देव बरें करून म्हणटा. आनी हांव आयज खूब खोशी तुमकां पळोवन की म्हाका दिसता म्हाज्याकून चड खोशी तुमी आमी कितें हाडलें म्हणून हांगासर परला. सो म्हाका अशें दिसता तुमकां सगळ्यांक पळोवन की आनी फुडें फुडें खेळत रावपाचें आनी हाडीत रावपाचें अशें म्हाका दिसता. आनी म्हाका अशें दिसता म्हाका नेक्स्ट सेबाच्या नॅशनला वचूंक सोदता. फक्त तुमकां पळोवन की ती म्हाका इतली उमेद हाडली पळोवनच. सो